So you take the revelation that came to this lady. It's a true one. God speaks to man through the medium of dream and revealed to her why some things take long and some things are short. Long because of the state you were in when you desired it makes a difference. And then you didn't practice revision. You could have shortened that distance instantly had you actually practiced revision and believed what you're told to assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. If I believe that I have what I am desiring, haven't I assumed the feeling of the wish fulfilled? And an assumption, though false, because Scripture teaches this, if I persist in it, remaining faithful to that state, it will harden into fact. Again, a commercial for those meditations. They are a practice. You don't even have to agree with what you're listening to. Remember, I will not climb a ladder all day and then at night imagine yourself climbing that ladder. All day, you don't have to believe that your bills can be paid, but at night imagine them all paid and you will climb that ladder. It will show up in your 3D. I had a manifestation happen on Sunday. I can't even brag enough about the parking scenario, but it in itself is wonderful. I was practicing a meditation where I just have to tell you point blank because it fits this piece here. The meditation has in it, people always want to buy me lunch. I'm always being bought dinner. People always just want to buy me whenever we go out with my wife and with friends. We get the front parking. There's 2 left. Our friends that we were meeting at this very restaurant where there's never been a parking on the street, they get a parking. They text us that they have found a parking in the actual restaurant, which is a very rarity. They get the one in front of us, and then as we pull in, we find another one right there, a little skinnier one. It seemed like it was meant for motorcycles, but a car fits it. So nonetheless, we go in, we have lunch, and it is for my wife's birthday, and our friends pick up the bill. And I'm like thinking to myself, isn't that amazing? That meditation I did a few weeks ago, I included it in other things I'm doing, but I only just tossed it in there, like willy-nilly. Like, let me just throw this one in there because I want to see a reflection, because I want to see what works and how fast it works. And it's exactly this, because when I do that meditation, I always put a scene with it, like somebody grabbing the bill, or somebody going, no, I got it. Or I see myself arguing with somebody, no, I got it. No, you got it. No, I got it. No, you got it. So I played with it. I just threw it in like salt on your food. I just threw it in there and during other meditation practices. And here was the situation. We're at lunch. The check's coming to the table. And immediately our friends, the wife, she grabs it. And I'm going like, what? And I'm like, and then they're figuring it out and doing all the tipping and whatnot. And then I immediately give thanks and gratitude. I gave thanks and gratitude outside the restaurant as well, again. But the after effect was realizing that the revision and meditation work together. Because revision is the meditation of seeing the reality in your mind. So when you are going to practice this one type of thing, let's say it's the parking lot. If you imagine parking in the front, you have to see yourself on the curb looking back at the car because you're outside the car. You're not in the car. Sure, you can imagine yourself in the car with your arms pulling up to that spot, but as Neville teaches, go to the end. The end would be yourself looking back at the car and being in celebration of it and high-fiving somebody or hugging or whatever. Outside the restaurant, we were hugging and saying goodbye, and there was another thank you. That's the kind of imagining I was doing. It's literally in 3D. It's the rock reflecting the mind, which was the filter. People always want to buy me lunch. People always want to buy me dinner. And the source was awareness, where I became aware of it when I was in meditation with my eyes closed, imagining the scene on that screen of awareness that then had to go through the filter known as the mind, which the mind is where you get doubts. Oh, no, that's not going to happen. Or, oh, yes, that's going to happen all the time. Either one of those two things are going to fight for who's going to be more dominant. Now, if you're practicing a while, the one's going to be more dominant. Oh, yes, happens all the time. Because then that then becomes the story that you see reflected. So the story of the imagination is what you have in awareness, but in imagination, you want that story to be the optimistic version, not the doubtful version. So the mind, you've got two things battling for supremacy. The awareness is everybody is always buying me lunch. Everybody wants to buy me lunch, okay? That's the awareness on the screen. Now I put the image together, somebody grabbing the check. That's the mind. That's in the mind where imagination is coming through from awareness. Now in that mind, the opposition is also potentially there. And that's called doubt. But you have to get the practice going where you always stay to the optimistic one. You stay to it and practice it and throw it in there and salt it with in your meditations, in your revisions. Then right there in the 3D world, someone's hand is reaching and grabbing and taking that check. And the thing to be in gratitude for and thankful for when this happens is yourself. You created that. You chose from a selection of two ways this could have went. Yes, it always happens, or no, it doesn't happen. But you chose the optimistic version. Without doubt, you chose the optimistic one where you saw it completed and someone's hand grabbing the check. And therefore, in the 3D world is where the event happens. As Neville says over and over and over, it is so simple. But you have to do these little mechanical pieces. Everything I just described, if you didn't hear it, rewind, listen to it as many times as necessary, and practice it.